Previous class we have discussed schematic trigger circuit. Schematic trigger circuit is used to convert sine waveform into square waveform. So we are applying sine wave in base of transistor Q1 and we will get output in collector of transistor Q2 as square waveform. So in this class we are going to learn about diode clippers. So diode clippers are also called slicer or amplitude selectors, or limiters, limiters. So diode clippers are also called slicer or amplitude selectors or limiters. So actually it is a wave shaping circuit. Clipper is a wave shaping circuit and it is used to remove unwanted portion of a input signal without distorting remaining part of input signal. So diode clippers are wave shaping circuit and it is used to remove unwanted portion of a input signal without distorting remaining part of input signal, and it used in many applications, usually in radars. In radar signal, most of the signals contain noise only. So clippers are used to remove noise signals in radars. Then digital computers, then clippers used in radio receiver and television receivers. So this receiver in receiver the signals contains noise. So we by diode clippers we can remove noise signal in the original signal. There are 4 general categories of diode clippers. Four types. So 4 general categories of diode clippers. First one is positive clipper. Positive clipper is to clip positive portion of the input signal. Next, negative clippers. Then biased clipper. We are applying some DC bias voltage. Then we are going to learn combinational clipper. So first we are going to learn positive clipper. So I am using a diode and a resistance in R in series with diode. We are taking output in resistance R. We are applying input signal here. This circuit is called series positive clipper. Series positive clipper. So let me see the operation. During the positive half cycle, consider a sine wave input here. Sine wave input here. VA is sine wave. During positive half cycle, here we have positive polarity and here we have negative polarity. So plus minus means diode is reverse biased. So during positive half cycle, diode is reverse biased. So reverse bias means diode is open circuited. Diode is open circuited, and your output V0 is 0. So your output voltage will be 0. During positive cycle, you will have 0 output. Similarly, during negative cycle, so here you have negative polarity, and here also diode terminal also you have negative, means diode will be forward biased. So here I am assuming ideal diode, cut-in voltage is 0 volt. I am assuming the ideal diode. So ideal diode, cut-in voltage is 0. Cut-in voltage is 0 volt. So it is short circuited, and your input is appears in output. So your V0 is equal to VI. So your VA is equal to this portion, negative portion. So you will get output. You will get output negative cycle. Again, the positive cycle means diode goes to reverse bias and your V0 is equal to 0, and negative half cycle means diode will contact. So your output waveform is like this. So positive portion of the input waveform is clipped, so it is called positive clipper. We can also configure shunt positive clipper. In shunt positive clipper, you put resistance here and diode like this. R D. Here we are giving input signal. Here we are getting output signal. The circuit is called shunt positive clipper. In shunt positive clipper, operation. So during positive half cycle, here you have plus, and plus means the diode is forward biased. So during positive half cycle, diode is forward biased and diode is short circuited. Diode is short circuited means this is short circuited means it goes to ground potential. V0 is equal to 0. If during negative, V0 is equal to 0, during negative half cycle, here you have minus and plus means it is reverse biased. So your V0 is equal to VA. Input is appears in output. V0 is equal to VI. Here also you have the positive clip output waveform. Similarly, you can construct negative clipper. So negative clipper means you just change the diode direction. So next we are going to say a second negative clipper. You just change the diode direction. So during positive cycle, positive half cycle, plus and diode polarity. So plus and plus means diode will be forward biased. Diode forward biased and diode will be short circuited means your entire input is appears in output. Your V0 is equal to VI. During negative cycle, so diode will be reverse biased. So your V0 is equal to 0. So your output during positive half cycle, you will get output V0, and negative half cycle, negative portion is clipped. Again you will have positive half cycle. So actually negative portion of the input signal is clipped. So this clipper is called negative clipper. You can also shunt negative clipper. You can also design shunt negative clipper. Just change the diode position. So during positive cycle, during plus and minus means diode will be reverse biased. Reverse biased means open circuited means you will have the V0 is equal to VA. V0 is equal to VA, and during negative half cycle, diode will be here also both are negative means diode forward bias means it goes to the ground potential. So it will be short circuited means it goes to the ground potential. So your V naught is equal to 0. So your output contains only positive cycles. Next we study biased clippers. Biased clipper. We have it first we have series type biased positive clipper. So I am drawing positive clipper with series type. Means you have diode in this manner, and you have R in V naught, and you are having the bias value of here. You have VR. You have bias value of reference voltage VR here, and your input is VI. So you will get output V naught is, if V naught greater than VR means V naught greater than VR means input voltage VI is clipped. Sorry, VI greater than VR portion clipped. So just I am having input signal as sine wave, means V naught is V naught appears up to this VR level. So this is output waveform of series type biased positive clipper. Similarly, we can construct shunt type biased positive clipper also. So in shunt biased positive clipper, you just interchange the R and V in the circuit, resistance and diode value. So you will get R and diode like this. You have reference voltage VR here. You have VA and here you have D naught. Similarly, you can construct biased negative clipper also. So next we will study combinational clipper. In combinational clipper, we have a biased positive clipper and biased negative clipper. So here I am consider D1 with reference voltage VR and D2 with reference voltage of VR2. I am taking this as VR1 and this is VR2, means VR2 we are giving input and we are taking output here. So during positive half cycle, this is biased to positive clipper. So if you are considering R D1 VR2, means you will get R D1 and VR1, means you will have biased positive clipper, so it gives the output of V0 and it gives the output up to reference voltage VR1. So next, if you are considering R D2 VR2, you are having here minus here plus, so reference voltage is negative, means this is minus VR2. So minus VR2 means up to VR2 signal, input is appearing up to signal VR2. You will have output like this. So waveforms appear in between VR1 to VR2. So input appears between VR1 to VR2. Remaining portion is clipped out.